In this video, I'm going to show you step by step of how I apply for an ISBN number through the Library of Canada. You're going to see a screen recording. I think you're going to find it very helpful. I'm also going to show you an SOP that I've made for myself to give myself the step-by-step directions because I only apply for one of these about every 6 months or so. So you're going to kind of get to see inside of my Google Drive of how I organize my publication titles and the ISBN numbers and an SOP that I think it'll give you a good idea of how you can get yourself organized. And then at the end of this video, I'm going to answer some commonly asked questions regarding ISBN numbers, barcodes, and just like what you have to have ready for applying for your ISBN number. So stay tuned for the FAQ at the end. You'll find that helpful. And let's get going on the screen recording. This video is specifically for Canadians. You're going to want to head to the Library of Canada link below. The very first thing you're going to want to do if you don't have one already is create an account. So you either Google applying for ISBN in Canada through the Library of Canada, or you can check out my links below. But you're going to want to find create an ISBN account and then go through the steps of creating that account. Once you have an account and you log in, I go immediately to the tab called Manage Logbook. So it will look like this. This is my logbook. I have some active publications, some forthcoming publications, and today I'm going to assign a new ISBN. I want to quickly show you some other information that I have on file for myself. When I create ISBNs for my publications, I keep a Google document of the ISBNs, and then I also put these on sticky notes in one of my daytimer journals so that I have them handy. I have hardcover, softcover ebook on my English version. I have a French version ISBN, and today I'm creating the Spanish version. I want to show you an SOP that I've made for myself. I've made this in my Google Drive, and it is essentially the directions of how to create my ISBN, which I'm showing you here in this video today. But the reason that I have an SOP saved in my Google Drive is because I really only apply for an ISBN number every 6 months or so, which you can forget all the details and links, etc. So I keep the directions handy, and it tells me step by step. Log into your account, click Manage Logbook, assign a new ISBN, put in your publication info. I've given myself some tips and reminders, and click on Manage Logbook again, and you might see your ISBN number right away, or it could take a few days. And then I have some other links handy. Also in Canada, we do something called a legal deposit where we send a couple of copies to the Library of Canada. So I keep the information for that available. So I highly encourage you to create yourself an SOP that looks similar to this and based off of this video, if you find this video is helpful. And then when you're ready to get your ISBN number for each publication, you've got your directions handy. Now I will go in and I'll click Assign New ISBN. You're going to choose your product form, and for softcover, it's actually book. And then in the notes, I say that it's a softcover book, and I'm going to just change this information here to say Spanish version of Wait, Darling, Wait. And the title, it's going to be as easy as going in here and copying and pasting the title from my translator. I saved it in there. Here is the title. And then the projected publication date is going to be end of May 2024, and it's going to stay forthcoming until I make it active. So I'm going to give this a check over, and as soon as I feel like I did it all correctly, I'm going to press save, and immediately my ISBN number may appear. And just like that, it was that easy. Now I'm going to do a really quick FAQ that I think you're going to find super informative because, as you know, we all, especially at the beginning of our picture book creator journey, we have questions. So, is it really free to get your ISBN number in Canada? Yes, at this time, at the time of this recording, it always has been and is free. Going forward, make sure you double check. but Canadians can obtain their ISBN numbers for free for their publications. Do I need an ISBN number for all types of publications like ebooks, physical books, and audiobooks? Yes, you need, as I mentioned earlier, a separate ISBN number for each format of your publication, including the ebooks, the physical books. How long does it take? How long does it take to get your ISBN number? Well, you saw my process that my ISBN number showed up in my logbook right away. I think that the Library of Canada kind of covers themselves a little there, saying that it may take up to 10 days to receive it after applying, but I have found mine to be very quick. Can I request multiple ISBN numbers at once? Yes, you can. Right in the logbook there, you can obtain and register ISBN numbers in multiples. So, for example, when I released Wait, Darling, Wait, I did all the versions of this. In the English version of this, I got the ebook, the hardcover, and the soft cover all at once. And in fact, I haven't even published the ebook yet. It's still forthcoming. And so it's waiting there. I have the ISBN number, but it is waiting there, which answers my next question is like, do I have to publish right away? No, you can keep your status as forthcoming. But as long as you have that ISBN number, you can move forward with some of your other publishing tasks that you have ahead of you. Do I need all the publication details finalized before applying for the ISBN number? No, you've got to have that title. And I did check into it with the Library of Canada. I reached out to them and asked them a question because I was thinking about changing a title, and they said I would have to reapply for the ISBN number. They can change it, but you have to do it through them. So if you get an ISBN number, it needs to be attached to the title that you have there in the logbook when you applied. Can I change the publication details after receiving the ISBN number? Well, yes, you can change the details, but as I mentioned, titles, you're going to want to reach out to them and have them do that and lead you through that process. It may be a whole new number. Are there any restrictions for who can apply for an ISBN number? Generally, no, but as far as I know, the Library of Canada is for Canadian authors. It's available to the publishers, authors, and self-publishers of Canada. Can I use my ISBN number internationally, or is it only valid in Canada? Your ISBN number is valid internationally. It can be used for your publication's distribution and recognition worldwide. So essentially, Wait, Darling, Wait was published in Canada by me, Canadian author. It is the ISBN number through the Library of Canada, but it sells worldwide. It is on KDP Amazon platforms across the world. And so that's an example of how it can be used. Are there additional steps or requirements for self-publishers compared to traditional publishers when applying for an ISBN number? Generally, it's the same process of obtaining that ISBN, just like I showed you in the screen recording. Is there any support or assistance available for authors who are unfamiliar with the ISBN application process? So yes, what you saw there on my screen recording is the Library and Archives of Canada website, and they give a lot of guidance. So there's a lot of web pages there that you can sort through, and they give you a lot of guidance. Don't forget the picture book creators community that I host also has a lot of authors and illustrators who offer our support to each other and share personal experience. So if personal experience and that kind of support is what you're looking for, you may want to check out the links below just to see how you can connect with us and get involved in our community. But there on the Library of Canada, the actual ISBN support is available. What should I do if I encounter any issues or questions while applying for the ISBN number? I have personally found that the Library of Canada, when you email them, they're very prompt and helpful in assistance or clarification. So don't hold back reaching out to them with any of your questions. And lastly, I want to answer the question, how do I create a barcode for my publication once I've gotten my ISBN number? Now, this is a really important note to make, especially for those who are new, that your ISBN number and your barcode are entirely separate items. You obtain your ISBN number, which is located here. You obtain that just like I showed you. But then this barcode, which is the scannable part that someone might scan at a bookstore or so forth, that is obtained separately in the instance of what I'm showing you today. And I obtain my barcodes through KDP Amazon when I'm publishing on the platform. They ask you for your ISBN number and then ask you if you have a barcode already. And I click no, and KDP Amazon generates a barcode for me. So it will show my ISBN number given to me from the Library of Canada and the barcode that KDP Amazon generates for me. So I hope that this is helpful in answering some of your questions for how to get your ISBN number when you're a Canadian author publisher. Hey, just a quick intermission here. You'll notice it's an entirely different day, but I have thought of something that I want to share with you regarding ISBNs and answering the question of why I don't obtain my ISBNs through Kindle Direct Publishing. As many of you know, I'm an independent publisher, and my main platform for publishing my picture books and the platform that I teach and show and instruct with in the picture book creators community is Kindle Direct Publishing. So why don't I get my ISBNs from Kindle Direct Publishing if that's my main platform? And they also, as of today, as far as I know it, they offer free ISBNs. So why don't I get it from there? Because the way I understand it, and all things can change, so do your due diligence when you need to look into it. But as far as I understand it, they lock you into an exclusivity with their ISBNs that you don't actually like fully own it, and it's kind of like connected to their platform. So yes, you can get a free ISBN through Kindle, and yes, that's an easy way to just like go about getting that in the barcode. But I have opted, through this limited amount of research that I've done, the way that I understand it, I've opted to go through other means of obtaining my ISBN so that I fully own it. It's registered in my name, and I put that into Kindle. You'll see on a different video, I show my upload and publishing process with Kindle Direct Publishing, so you can check that out. But I put in my ISBN into Kindle, and then it's mine. It's mine. I do get a barcode from them that's, then connected to that ISBN. But that is why I don't get my ISBN through Kindle Direct Publishing, because there's a lack of ownership and limited distribution options. So let's get back to the video. My name is Mary Janelle. I'm an independent publisher here in Canada, focusing on picture book creation. I host a vibrant online community where we support each other from idea to market. And within that community, I host resources, learning guides that take you all the way through the process. Do check it out in the links below. I'd love to see you inside of the community. Until next time, picture book creators, don't forget, your story matters. Let's get it out into the world.